Welcome everyone. Today we have the brand new MSI MEG Z390 Ace motherboard with us. It is one of the top end board in the market for the new 9th generation and the 8th generation Intel processors. Intel recently announced the new 9th generation processors including the Core i9 9900K, the i7 9700K and the i5 9600K. All the 8th generation and the 9th generation processors work on older 300 series chipset. But there is a new Z390 chipset which is especially meant for the new Core i9 9900K. It supports all the older generation 8th generation i5, i3 and i7 and the new upcoming 9th generation processor as well. So we are now having a look at the MSI's top offering MEG Z390 Ace. The new MEG Z390 Ace is an 80x size board with all top of the line features. It comes in a very premium package and there are lots of information on all the sides of the box. The back side especially shows a lot of graphics, features and information about this motherboard. But now let's quickly unbox this. Just after opening the box, we see the glorious motherboard inside the anti-static bag. Z390 is top level 300 series chipset and it supports all the 8th generation and the 9th generation Intel processors. MSI has placed a lot of things on this motherboard for the enthusiasts and the extreme users. This type of motherboard are especially meant for gamers, heavy editors and professionals. This is definitely a really good looking motherboard. The VRM heatsink, the chipset heatsink, the features, the LED light are all looking fantastic. The back side is filled with lots of USB ports and it has a pre-installed IO shield as well. We always like motherboards with lots of USB, SATA and reinforced PCIe slots. This new motherboard comes with 4 RAM slots, 3 PCIe slots and lots of fan headers. If you guys want to have a good look at this motherboard, then we have a still image of this board here. Inside the box, there are lots of accessories. There is MSI sticker, driver DVDs, manual and lots of cables. We get SATA cables, Wi-Fi cables, RGB Mystic Light support and lots of other features in this package. In this overview, we can see that the Z390 MEG Ace is a really great looking board with really awesome features and it is definitely worth showing using a case with a clear side panel. So that's it for this time guys. Do watch our other videos, leave a thumbs up down this video, subscribe to us and we will be back soon with a new one. Till then, have a good time everyone and take care.